Greetings everyone, I've returned to Universal Studios Hollywood and Jurassic World. The ride is back open and I'm so excited. Oh yeah, here it goes. Yeah, let's roll that intro. Yes, Jurassic World is finally back. I'm very excited. This is my favorite attraction, the whole park, and that's what today's video is gonna primarily be about. I still wanna come here and do like a full like Jurassic World only video, like talking about all the information that comes along with this attraction. It's just so great. I love it so much. It's kind of a windy day here, and there's a little bit of rain too, so I apologize if it's like really windy, but we're gonna go hop on. We're gonna have some fun. Let's go see Indominus. Let's go see Blue. The drums are going, so you know what that means. I love it so much. I love dancing to the drums. Oh, man, I've missed Jurassic World. I've missed it so much. Yep, there it is. We're heading down, and I think actually right now, it should be after 3 o'clock, so we're gonna probably pop on Express. Don't really need it today, but I think we're still gonna use it.
A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat
the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
This is the must-do thing for me here. Like, I know a lot of people would say, like, tram tour, or now like Mario Kart, but like, look at this. Grandeur. I love a boat ride that's got grandeur. Look at the grandeur. Watch that splash. Grandeur. So nice. Yeah. I love it. Feel mist. Need it. I love it. Love it so much. Oh. Does my heart good to see this waterfall.
In a few seconds, we will be entering.
It's so good.
We're plunging the dinosaurs along the place. Keep an eye out for the Pterosaurus, who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new
yes, the blue lights on the cave. So good. Now, a lot of people forget this. This park can get you more wet than anything else, depending on how bad the wind is. I'm just really hoping that the wind is in our favor today. Baby Stego and Mommy Stego, I love you so much. So cute. Oh man. We're getting hit, we're getting hit, we're getting hit, we're getting hit, we're getting hit. Oh, oh. There we go, we're good, we're good, we're good. I told you.
Predator Co. Home to some of Jurassic.
Oh, the wind is not favorable up here.
Creatures.
It's not good. We'll see if anybody jumps across for all of us. Come on, come on, come on, come on. See all those changing from green to red. He'll go down. Bye. With the cloudy day here too, and the wind, feels like the first Jurassic Park a little bit. I love that. Aww, little comfy. Hi guys. Still playing over that hat. Not very deep water if you want to keep Indominus in. And deeper. Can Indominus swim?
Remain. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way.
Okay.
In the meantime, please,
Please what? So their idea was to bring us by the Indominus Rex either way, even if she didn't bring it out, which seems super dangerous. Uncut.
You can see me. I need you to keep your hands inside the boat.
Owen.
We'll set these animals off.
Owen, can you come here and help us, please? Oh, wait. Oh, here comes Sparky! Sparky! Oh, I love you, Sparky. Alright. Terror begins anew. Watch that water. Here it comes. All the lights are just cut. The lights are just cut. Dilo there. Lights didn't go. Very scary. Oh, there's Indominus. Okay. Dilo's got some better lighting. Love to see it. Oh, and there's more. She's back. I love it. Oh, yeah. Indominus here. Indominus is so good. Oh my gosh, she's so big. I want to give her a hug. And don't forget about Rexy, baby. Alright, guys. Hold on. Here we go. Yes, we did it. Yes. The best. The best. Holy moly, is that thing fantastic. It is still my favorite thing here at Universal Studios Hollywood. It's just so much fun. A lot of it is that last drop, but that final scene, the build up and everything, and it's just like wham. Blue is looking great. There's some better lighting on Blue and the other Dilo in there, and maybe on Indominus too. It just looks really, really good. Sounds like she's back. Back and ready for the spring and summer where people, this will not be a walk-on, which it basically was today. In the summer, this will be at least an hour probably for the most part. 45 minutes to an hour, if not much longer, on the really hot days. And it's totally worth it. I love it so much. I love it so much. Well, one good ride deserves another, and darkness is falling, so the lights are turning on, making it even more magical. Oh, yes, here we go. Well, as luck would have it, we have our own boat. Oh my gosh, I love getting my own boat. It does not happen often. All right, oh, you guys can see the lighting package is turned on here.
Dinosaurs. A vast ocean is home to an explosion.
So good.
At the top of the food chain.
Yeah.
The Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
Thank you. Man, could you imagine trying to like get this through like to your insurance people? Like, yeah, we're just gonna have people go through this huge aquarium with this very, very large creature. It'll be fine. Trust me. And as you can see here, the perspective changes as you move. I mention it all the time, but I missed it. I love this ride. I do. I really do. I'm a sucker for a boat ride, baby. He's a sucker for a boat ride, baby. Especially when, you know, I'm the only one here. Mosasaurus trying to come through the glass. Yes. Yeah, the wind just kind of whipped up out of nowhere earlier today, and I was like, whoa.
In a few seconds, we will be entering Herbivore Valley.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait till it's open later in the summer. We can come here like super late. Like super late for Universal. It's typically like 9 or 10 o'clock. But maybe with Mario and stuff, maybe they'll keep it open later. I hope so. Oh, baby Stego. Is that water coming out? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay, okay. Okay. I was not ready. I'm so sorry. The wind was unkind. Hi, Mama Stego. Oh my gosh, the water came back again. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, I do have fun. Oh my gosh, are all the fountains gonna hit us or the geysers? Come on. Okay, just please, just that's my hand up, please stop, please. Oh my goodness. Bears are off. Here he comes.
We have a containment alert.
Oh.
Multiple containment failures. Repeat, multiple multiple systems failure.
Hey, stop it. Stop. Okay, no. Thank you. Yeah.
All boats in safe zone.
Spooky. Now there's only one Velociraptor I know that can cut through that. That's my buddy Sparky. We'll see him soon. Yeah, this video is kind of becoming like my multi-angle videos. It's like left side and right side. I want to know what's in there though. Indominus left, so like did raptors go in there? Like what's shaking the trees? I need to know what's shaking the trees.
Remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please. Security team is deployed. They instruct you to take all.
I don't know, like, if you wanted to save us, is moving us continuously the best choice? I guess we'd be sitting ducks if they stopped us, right? I don't know. T-Rex up over here. Indominus has a light on her. Indominus, you're a star. You're a star. Okay. Oh! Every time, Sparky, I love you every single time. Sparky literally has sparks in his throat. So good. Whee! Put your hands up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Indominus. Another smooch for you, Indominus. There we go. There again, that lighting on the Dilophosaurus is looking much, much better. So blue scares the Dilo, right? Blue's like, hey, Indominus, don't eat my friends. If I could get evacuated anywhere, Universal Studios Hollywood property, it'd be right here. Turn the work lights on. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Summon the T-Rex. They're battling. All right, you gonna watch me? Here we go. Whoa! Wow. Oh, and as I've proven, now the brake run when I'm by myself is seeming to get stopped a little bit back there. There's not as much weight in the boat. That's so good. I think it's scarier with the lights on in that drop. There's some lights on and you can see all the superstructure, the steel structure. Wow. Wow. Right as we walk in, we're greeted by a big Pteranodon coming for us. Oh, that'd be cool if Pteranodons could attack you on this ride. Oh, that would be so cool. Oh my gosh. Also, like I've said before plenty of times, it's just great that like we're not only getting Jurassic World merch, but we're still getting Jurassic Park merch because this is what started it all. It's a classic, one of my favorite movies of all time, and I absolutely love it. It's so good. Oh yeah, here comes another boat, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's see it. Oh, yes. So good. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. Stop judging me. I'm just kidding. I'm riding it again. Also, shout out to the team members. I had one come over like the comms and say, have a safe trip. They're amazing. Team members, I love you. Thank you so much. Here we go. Sploosh. Oh, once again, have our own boats. It's probably like low 50s, high 40s out right now. So it's getting pretty cold. I love it so much though. Like I said before, darkness is falling. You can kind of see the differences. They still have the daylight version of the Mosasaurus sequence, but that's okay. But yeah, I love this sequence especially at night. Oh, looks so good, so beautiful. I'm kind of scared because I'm waiting for that geyser to hit me again. It might be coming this way. They're flocking this way. Okay, no, it's fine. But also look at the lighting on the Mama Stego. Oh my gosh. I love you, Mama Stego. I love you, Mama Stego. Yeah, I know a lot of this is kind of repeated, but as you can see, it takes on a very different vibe here at night. I don't know, there's something about it, the lights and everything. Will that light just turn on? I don't even know. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I like that little Indominus Rex sign up there. That's nice. It's very nice. I like how Dominus came out of here and was just going like,
Help is on the way. In the
ripping up
meantime,
these
please.
concrete walls. Man, that's true power right there. And rules of 3. 1, 2, 3. Cue that Sparky. Oh, yeah, Sparky. I love you, Sparky. Yes. This might be my favorite finale in any attraction. It's just like you sit in it. There's action happening. There is. Like, look, it just, Indominus. Yeah, stop me right here. Yeah, let me get out. Oh. Okay. Hi, Indominus. All right. Nighttime drop, everybody, hold on. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was amazing. And there's nobody here. Oh, it's so quiet. Oh, that was so good. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so good. They made it. They survived. I feel like this is my natural habitat now. Like, this is how all my Universal vlogs typically end, with me standing right here. Also, shout out to Giselle. She was like, I saw that you've been riding this a bunch. Don't you want to see your picture? And I was like, sure. And I was looking at it. Apparently, it's $22 right now if you want to buy a picture. However, they have these temporary cards that you can get. You can check out your photo online, and then you can get them that way. I was like, oh, that's so cool. So I'm sure you still have to pay, because I'm guessing there's like, you know, watermarks or something on there. But still, I thought that was really neat. So if you didn't know that, if you don't want to get your picture today and you're thinking about it, you can still grab at the end there a little temporary card. So great. And a huge thank you to all the team members here today for putting up with me. They're like, who is this guy? He's riding it in the cold. My Minnesota blood prepared me for this moment. So thank you so much. And I appreciate everybody being here today. Thank you so darn much. It means so much to me to have you guys hang out. The comments, I love reading them. And thanks, oh, yeah. And the likes and everything, that helps. If you want to support the channel in a free way, the likes are the best way to do it. So thank you so much for everybody who's doing that. And a super big thank you to all of our patrons, my patrons. I love you so, so much. Thank you for supporting me financially. It means the world to me. Okay, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Your patience has been rewarded with a bonus splashdown, baby. I'm dancing and singing. I really hope another boat is gonna come by, because it's like park is closed now. So it's like, I don't know. I hope somebody shows up here. But again, like, look at the lighting and stuff. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, here they come. Boom. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's a ghost boat. Woo, ghost boat. I love you, ghost boat. And I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody.